This is Nicholas Holmes going over Enhancement 5 for PHP motors. In this video, first I'm going to demonstrate that adding a car classification and adding a new vehicle views are valid HTML and CSS. So I'll go to Add Classification and validate local CSS. That's fine. Add validate local HTML. That's fine. I'll verify the add vehicle is valid local CSS. That's good. And valid local HTML. That is good as well. Next, I'm going to show that both the client-side and server-side validations work in the car classification and add vehicle views. All right. So first I'll do the add classification. So if I try to submit it blank, ask me to fill it out. I turn on the validate and try to submit. I get my message to add. If I try to use illegal characters, it also comes back and says unacceptable. If I look at my car classification, I see nothing was added. If I try to use illegal characters, it's going to sanitize it. Refresh my car classification, and I can see that it sanitized it and added lemon. Okay, I'm going to check the add vehicle. If I just try adding a vehicle, if I turn on to validate, server side also. I'll test it does this for each of the fields, and I'll show, and it keeps it sticky. So I'm going to add Jeep. Oh, and validate Jeep. Wrangler. Add. Validate. Add. Test. Add. Validate. Add. Image path. Add. Validate. Add. Thumbnail path. Add. Server side. Add. Client side price. And add that. And one thing I'm going to do is show the sanitize. I'm going to enter the price as such and add, validate, let's add, and stock. I'm going to put this one and add to server side validation, and color is going to accept it because that's all of them. They were all sticky. So now I'll add it. Jeep Wrangler added successfully. And if I come and look at my inventory, I now have a Jeep Wrangler added, and it sanitized the price as instructed with the fraction used as well. Okay, so that shows the valid HTML and CSS for the add car classification and add vehicle, as well as the client side, server side validations with stickies on those views. I'll go ahead and wrap this up and zip up my folder and upload that. This concludes my Enhancement 5 overview video.